Hello friend, this is a video on how to create Google form. First we have to go to Google. Type over there Google form. Then scroll little bit up. Then see this website, Google form free online survey. Click on this website. This way it is seen. The first one, that means personal, in that you have to click on go to Google form. As you click on go to Google form, the form will be opened in your drive. Next you have to give name to your form. Here it is written as untitled form. You have to give title as FA2. Then in form description you can give the name of the subject. Now you have to click over here so that there also the name will be changed. Yes. Now click on these three dots. In the setting you will find general, presentation and quizzes. First we will see for general. Here if you want to collect email, you will tick over here, or if your children are very small, then don't collect this email, but you have to limit response. That means the student can fill the Google form only once. So this you have to click, and rest all will be empty. Student should not be able to edit after submit or see summary, chat and text response. Then scroll little bit towards left and you will see quizzes. Click on quizzes and enable this one, means it is make this quiz. Then you want to release the grades later after manual review, so you will be clicking on that. Then you don't want your student to see missed questions, correct answers and points, because those points will be given afterwards. Points means marks. Then click on this save option. So the form will be saved in the name as FA2. Now you have to click on responses. When you click on responses, here a green button will be seen. This is for the Excel sheet. So you will be clicking on this plus green button and then create a new spreadsheet. So click on this create. So this way it will be seen. So click on questions and the form will be open to you. Now firstly we are going to collect the information of student. For that type class. Now this class should be in form of drop down list. So here you can type it as 10th A then add next option as 10th B, then add option as 10th C, then add another option as 10th D, and next as 10th E. Here this is the required one. You want your student to fill this option, so it is a required one, so we have to enable it. Now click on this plus button. Another question will be opened. So over there you have to type roll number. It should be a short answer. This is also the required one. Again click on the plus sign and write down name. Now this name also should be in short answer, and it is also required. Now click on this add option and start writing question number 1. So this we want a MCQs, so we will keep it on MCQs only, and we will start giving the options. We will give the options as A, 2, and another option it's 8. So the question is add 3 plus 4. It is MCQ. The options are A, B, C and D, and we don't want now any other option. This should not be required, because if the student want to leave, he should be able to leave that. Now you have to click on this tick option. So when you tick this, the points will be appearing. So change this to 1. Then whichever correct option is there, you have to click that option so that the green tick will be seen, and then you have to click on done. Now you have to add next question by clicking on plus number 2, and the question is subtract 8 from 4. Again this will be multiple choice question, so you have to add options. Now again click on this tick sign and give point as 1. Click on the correct option, and then it is done. So we had typed 2 questions with this. Now what next we have to do? Here we can see total points as 2. Now we have to click on these 3 dots. So when we click over there, we will see all these things, and go preview button, so that how our form is viewed can be seen. So FA2 email, if we don't want, we will cancel it. Class, roll number, name, question 1, question 2 and submit. Press back button so that you will move on the form, and click on this. As you click on this, you will get send form, and over there collect email. So if you disable this, that email option will not be there. Now you have to click over here on the link. Now as you click on the link, this way a long link is generated. So you will shorten this URL and copy it, and you can send to your WhatsApp group. Now we can see the responses. In that, the Excel sheet we have to see. All the responses will be seen in this Excel sheet. Timestamp means when that student is attempting that exam, email address, score, class, roll number, name, question number 1, add 3 plus 4, and question number 2. Now I will tell you the settings which we have to do after this Excel sheet is filled. Your 224, 225 students will fill this, and the classes will be A, B, C, D, E, and roll numbers will be different. So firstly we will be setting the roll numbers, roll number wise. We will click on this E. Press E for some time. This full will be selected. This full column will be selected. Now it is empty, but this you have to do it after you get the responses. Then click on this 3 dots over here. Then sort A to Z. As you click sort A to Z, your roll numbers will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, like this. That means all divisions roll numbers will be sorted. Then next you have to press this D. Click on these 3 dots and sort A to Z. Your class will be having A divisions and roll numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So your Excel sheet will be generated, scores will be generated automatically, and then you can send this Excel sheet by clicking on these 3 dots.